New roof installations can look a bit weird sometimes, especially when the shingles don't follow the usual straight, symmetrical lines you expect. So here's the deal with architectural shingles. They're designed to give your roof more texture and depth, kinda like a layered look instead of flat rows. It's normal for installers to stagger the shingles, so the seams don't line up directly. That helps prevent leaks and adds strength. But yeah, sometimes that pattern looks random or chaotic if you're used to neat rows. If all the nails are sealed, flashings are tight, and everything is flush and secure, the randomness is mostly just how those shingles work. You don't want perfect alignment like tiles on a wall because that actually creates weak points where water can get in. If you're really bothered by it, you could ask the roofer about their installation pattern. They might explain why it's done that way or show you how it meets industry standards. But honestly, if it's all sealed properly and the roof looks solid, this is more about your eye for order than a real problem. So yeah, it's usually fine to just chill and enjoy your new roof without stressing over aesthetic preferences. One of the biggest mistakes people notice with new roofing installations is poor shingle alignment that actually causes leaks or damage. Fix that by making sure seams are staggered properly and nail heads sealed well. Another issue is missing or badly installed flashings, those metal pieces around vents or chimneys that keep water out. If flashings aren't tight, water can sneak in and mess up your roof's structure. Get a pro to check and replace them if needed. Lastly, some roofs get installed with nails not driven flush or overdriven nails that damage shingles. Both create weak spots. Ensuring nails are sealed and properly set is key to a long-lasting roof. So if you see random patterns but no leaks or gaps, that's usually cosmetic. But if any of those other issues pop up, definitely call someone to fix it fast. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess up your roof or any other project. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.